Just weird. Cold place looks like now. Yes.
Yeah. One meal a week, excuse me, we spent the whole days on like buying multiple different boxes of food that he never fucking ate. What? Why? It's perfectly fine, my baby. That's what I mean, I have to do a freaking massive clean out. That's what 4 months to do it. Man, I've got no fucking job.
Oh, nice.
Epic one.
Yeah. Why do I have so many art books?
Hey?
Why do I have so many art books? Why the f... Huh? I mean, considering I didn't actually touch any of this. I can go in the bin.
I have so much lingerie that I never wear. I just
Okay!
I was like, what the fuck?
I threw a whole bunch of mine out because I never wore it.
I just have so much.
Keep them because like you'll wear them. You just haven't had the time to wear them.
Being productive and shit.
Still feels like I have done nothing.
Huh?
Still feels like I've done nothing.
It'll all add up.
Zilch.
It will add up. I've just put your washing in. So this should all be dry by tomorrow if it doesn't rain anymore, and then the stuff can go out. Good. Look at you go. Absolute champion. You didn't know the camera was on. Look like that.
I'm sweating.
Me too. I'm gonna go have a shower for it. You know, it is tradition that on your last moving day, you are to get pizza with Harry. Because pizza on a moving day just makes sense.
You know what I did when I first got place? I sat down with Harry and had pizza.
Well, you're gonna have to end it the same way. I'm not gonna be here, so you're gonna have to end it in the same way.
Yeah.
Some newspaper and pizza. That's all you need
I
to
just
do.
remember that. I was like, you know what? Last night, yeah. Even though I'm going to be staying at Belinda's, I'm still going to have pizza here.
Oh yeah, that's it. Bye bye place.
Yeah. So weird.
It feels weird.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go have a shower and then come and help you.
I need to get more boxes.
Or do you want to do the boxes tomorrow? Just finish what you got now.
I'm not going to use those. The last resort boxes. Because I want to use the storage ones and just make sure they're a limited amount.
Yeah. I think you may need, just for your stuff, more boxes from work.
Well, you stole my boxes.
I stole 2.
I mean, I'm throwing out a whole bunch of stuff. And the stuff's going in my car as well. So it should be fine.
I can always buy you more boxes.
I'm just thinking, should I sell some of the crockery? The stuff that I haven't touched at all.
See if you can, they go pretty quick. Have a look at what you've got there.
Yeah.
Because they usually sell pretty fast. And that people will come pick it up.
Yeah. Everyone has to come pick it up. I'm not dropping it in the No way.
And then we can do Harry Potter!
Woo! See what I can get in those 2 boxes.
Lying wide awake, I can sleep tonight. Staring at the ceiling like a restless child. 'Cause you're running around telling all these lies. You're telling.
How do you feel? I don't even know what's so zoomed in right now. Can you notice something different? Do you notice something different? Because if you do, that's awesome. Then the couches are gone. Oh my god. Oh shit. I packed my burrito too tightly. No, not too tightly. I stacked it up too much. Oopsies. And yes, this is how a cripple gets around. How do I move? Okay. This will be couch for the next 10 days and also my bed for a night when I need it. Fun times. I'm gonna play some Witcher. But I also, I packed my burritos too much, so I have to like eat them as a soft taco, which is annoying. And get this, for me to get a commercial cleaner in the house, it's gonna cost me $400. $400 to clean the house. And no one else is picking up, so I think I'm gonna have to do the $400 one, which is annoying. Man, I hate packing. I really do.
Lies, you're telling all these lies, boy.
You lost a crutch. Lost a crutch. Also lost my scissors.